Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So this video I am going to show my previous month calls which I provided in my webinar. So the people who attend my webinar, they know what are the calls which I provided and so how the stocks are performing and what is the logic behind the trade what we have taken for that positions and how it became profitable right now at the end of the month. So yesterday the contract expired, so how it became the profitable trade. Okay, so we provided option strategies as well as hedging strategies with the futures and options. So some calls we provided, and what is the exact profit using that call which is generated for the all the month. So we are waiting for a 1 month. So what should be the profit? And these are the calls which we have provided around some 10 calls, charging around 499 rupees to provide this much of calls. So this is the sample call which is butterfly strategies in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here Bank Nifty which we are given the long put butterfly and call butterfly, as well as Nifty we are provided call butterfly and put butterfly. If those who are doing the trading in a Nifty alone or Bank Nifty alone, so they are making some profit in 1000 rupees, because we are taking this position as a minimum risk trades or no loss kind of trades. But overall this trade will give you around 1000 rupees profit, because this much of profit only we can fix it and before entering into this trade. That you have to understand. And these trades, this Bajaj Finance which we are given with a future and options hedging strategy on this month on 30th May, you can see that when I taken the class on 30th May, which I was posting these calls to my clients who attended the webinar. On 30th May we have created the position. So yesterday what happened? So it ending with a 2,11,000 rupees profit. And the same time we given a SBI call also. We managed that SBI with the loss of 150 rupees. So this is what a kind of short straddle strategy which we have applied on the SBI. But SBI moves one direction, that is it moves up upside. But the short straddle, if you are holding the short straddle, sure it will give you big loss. But how to manage the loss? So that we provided with the loss management, we are ending with the minimum loss. And same again another stock which is Bajaj Finserv, which we have provided future with options hedging. So that finally generate you more than 1.3 lakhs profit. And the same kind of trade loss also happened in Bharati Airtel, the same kind of trade which you given a future with options, but initially it generate you profit around a 20 plus k, and end of the day, end of the month, it generating you the loss of 61,000. So the same strategy which applied in future with options around 3 stocks in this calls. This particular system we are given 3 calls with the same strategy, that is a future with options. One is Bharati Airtel, and another one is Bajaj Finance, and another one is Bajaj Finserv. If you anyone who attend this calls, so what they are getting, so 2.1 lakh is profit, and another one is 1.39, and you are losing around 61k. So that is what our loss, and profit is much than that our loss. So these total 3 calls, our accuracy is around just 60%, because out of 3 we are losing 1 call, we gained some 2 calls based on the same strategy we applied. And finally what we are going to get the profit is maximum is more than 2.5 lakhs from these 3 positions. These 3 positions alone, it generates you the more than 2.5 lakhs. And remaining strategies, these are Biocon and Biocon and the State Bank, which we are provide the short straddle strategy. Why we are provided a short straddle strategy? So we are expecting the stock will not move much here, so it will stay on the same level. So that is what our expectation, even though the stock moves upper side or lower side. So we have to manage that positions. So we manage that positions, it generating me the minimum loss. We are exiting with the minimum loss, or some way another way of management, so we can exit with the minimum loss also. Okay, another strategy, State Bank, which we are given in the butterfly kind of strategy, so iron condor like strategy. So here is giving you maximum risk of 7,000 and maximum profit of some same amount. So there in this particular thing, so what we expected. So if you check that positions, you see that we sold 2 call and we bought one another call and another put. So like a butterfly strategy which we are given in the State Bank. So what happened about our State Bank? So it moves about our range. So what we are expecting, if the State Bank closes in between the range, so we are going to get profit. For example, we are doing the trade. So if State Bank closes in between the range, so our profitability. So what happens? State Bank, it increases over the 100, but our risk is fixed up to just this amount. So that has also happened in the State Bank. So we booked a loss. And what about overall performance is around 2.82 lakhs profit when we are taking a 2468 10 11 calls. Total we are provided 10 calls. The State Bank only we provided 2 types of calls. One is the maximum risk or maximum profit, or another one is minimum risk and minimum profit. So this, to make you understand, we provided 2 different calls in State Bank. The same kind of strategies we are going to update on next week. So Monday I will provide you the link, anyone who ready to join. So you can register with that link, and you can also attend with the minimum fees, and you can learn something. But here I am giving you some trading calls like with the hedging basis, but we are teaching how to trade this kind of trades and how to select the stocks and what are the criteria and what are the benefit or what are the risk factor available in the trade while before entering into the trade. So everything we are teaching on our paid lessons. So if you are interested to learn my paid option course, you can also contact me, the number provided in description, and you can also get me details about WhatsApp, and you can contact me the same number. So that's about my last month performance, and providing you somewhere around these are the hedging trades which have a less margin. So if you are attending these all the trades, it will require to 3.5 to 4 lakhs margin. So for 3.5 to 4 lakhs margin, we are going to get somewhere around 2.82 lakhs as a profit. So that is the best way to make money in overall performance. Is quite good for a last month, and we will try to make another webinar about the same kind of things for this month. So we will hope anyone interested, you can join. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.